your mind and your body, you accommodate yourself, because at the end of the day, you have no other option. What are your alternatives? And I live on my own, and I'm very independent, so I would be determined that this thing isn't going to beat me, and it's a fight to the death, and I'll fight it till the very death. I'm a grown man of 58 years of age, and I've said these people be my guardian angel, because I was lying in the street a number of times when they literally picked me up, brought me into their car, a complete stranger, brought me around to the house, not only got me into the house, also made me a cup of tea, Hugh, you're all right, and honest to God, they're saints. I mean, I would have been from the school of thought West Belfast is going down the tubes, were joyriders, and because I detest joyriders. But to see these people, they've really like there's hope. Hope is the key word. West Belfast, it strengthens its people. That would be my slogan for West Belfast, because there's more good eggs than bad eggs out there, and I'm the living indictment of it. These people have helped me, who didn't know me from Adam. I could look upon each and every one of them as my guardian angel, and I'm a grown man, but I really honestly believe that, because without those people there in those specific days, honest to God, I shudder to think. Just that it doesn't even bear thinking about.